Have you ever noticed how some people believe that simply thinking positively will magically bring everything they want right to their doorstep? Seriously, do you really think that repeating "I am wealthy" in front of the mirror is going to change your bank account balance? If that worked, everyone would already be a millionaire, right? But wait, don't close the video just yet. Let's dive into what really lies behind the law of attraction and how you can apply it effectively in your life. Let's get started. The law of attraction suggests that our thoughts and feelings influence our reality. Positive thinking attracts good things, while negative thoughts attract the opposite. This idea has roots in ancient philosophies, such as Hinduism and Buddhism, and was popularized by Rhonda Byrne in her book, The Secret. She posits that the universe responds to our vibrations, shaping our experiences. Moreover, modern psychology, especially Carl Jung's concept of the collective unconscious, reinforces the notion that our beliefs shape our perception of the world and attract experiences that align with those beliefs. This perspective is based on the belief that our minds can create our reality by focusing on what we desire. The concept also connects with universal spiritual laws, such as karma, where our actions and intentions influence our future. Thus, the law of attraction is not just a spiritual philosophy, but also a way to understand how the human mind can be a powerful engine for transformation. And what about you? Have you taken a moment to reflect on your own beliefs? What thoughts do you think have shaped your reality so far? I'm eager to hear your views. Please leave your thoughts in the comments, as I genuinely enjoy reading what you all have to say and do my best to respond to everyone. Your participation truly makes a difference for our channel. The law of attraction sparks debate in the scientific community, particularly regarding the impact of our thoughts on physical reality. Let's start with neuroscience. The brain is plastic, meaning it can reconfigure itself based on our thoughts and behaviors. Neuroplasticity shows that the way we think can alter our perceptions and even our motivation, creating a positive mindset that leads us to take more productive actions. This helps to create new opportunities, but it requires real effort. On the other hand, quantum physics is often cited to justify the law of attraction. Some suggest that subatomic particles change their trajectory when observed, implying that consciousness can influence reality. However, experts caution that this applies mainly at the microscopic level, not necessarily to our everyday world. In other words, while fascinating, quantum physics does not provide a direct explanation for how the law of attraction operates on a macro level. Thus, science suggests that our thoughts do influence our perceptions and consequently our actions. However, the law of attraction should not be viewed as a magical solution, but rather as a tool to enhance our mindset and act in a more focused and efficient manner toward our goals. Are you enjoying the video? I want to share that creating it takes a lot of work, but we do it all with great care and attention to detail, always thinking of you. So how about leaving a like? Not only does it motivate us to keep creating quality content, but it also helps the channel grow. We sincerely appreciate your support. In the spiritual realm, the law of attraction is often seen as a way to align oneself with the universe and its energies. The central idea is that if you emit positive vibrations, the universe responds similarly. This perspective aligns with Eastern philosophies, such as karma and energy traditions, which assert that our intentions and actions directly affect our destiny. For many, the law of attraction isn't just about achieving material desires, but also about creating harmony with the cosmos and living in tune with the forces of the universe. Furthermore, many spiritual traditions emphasize the importance of raising our vibration to attract good things. This directly connects to the idea that we are all interconnected energies. From this perspective, using the law of attraction is not about selfishness or greed. It's about creating an environment of well-being and balance, benefiting not just ourselves, but also the world around us. However, this spiritual view also faces criticism, as some believe it overlooks the real challenges of life. The true practice of the law of attraction, therefore, involves more than just positive thinking. It requires action, responsibility, and harmony with others and the universe. Without this, it can become an illusion that everything we desire can be easily attained without effort. If you could align yourself with the universe, what would you like to manifest in your life? And how much time do you dedicate to connecting with that energy? Comment below to let me know. Now, let's discuss how to practically apply the law of attraction in your daily life. The most common techniques include visualization, affirmations, and creating vision boards. For visualization, take a few minutes each day to focus on your goals. Imagine them in detail as if they were already a reality. The most important aspect here is to feel the emotions associated with your goal, as this helps send a clear message to your brain. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself. Phrases like, "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "I attract success and prosperity," are powerful because they reprogram your mind to believe in what you deserve. They should be spoken with emotion and conviction to truly make an impact. The vision board is also a powerful tool. By visualizing your goals in a tangible way, you create a daily reminder of your intentions. Place images that represent your goals on the board and keep it visible, so you are constantly reminded of what you are striving for. This exercise helps maintain focus and motivation over time. However, remember that these techniques are not magical. They must be accompanied by concrete actions and consistency. You can visualize your goals, but you also need to take practical steps to achieve them. The law of attraction works best when aligned with real and consistent effort. Now that we've discussed some practical techniques for applying the law of attraction in your daily life, it's time to check out inspiring examples of people who transformed their lives. What did they do differently? Let's explore real cases that show how the combination of a positive mindset and practical action can lead to surprising results. Get ready to be inspired by stories of success and valuable lessons. Now let's explore some examples of people who applied the law of attraction and found success. A classic example is that of actor Jim Carrey, who visualized a $1 million contract years before being offered a role that earned him $10 million. He wrote himself a check and years later received exactly that amount for his performance in The Mask. Another example is author J.K. Rowling, who used visualization to overcome poverty and, with persistence, wrote one of the most successful book franchises in history. While she hasn't directly spoken about the law of attraction, her belief in the possibility of success and her hard work demonstrate the connection between a positive mindset and the achievement of great things. These cases teach us that the law of attraction, when combined with action and perseverance, can be a powerful tool for reaching one's goals. However, it's important to understand that success doesn't come merely from positive thinking, but from making decisions aligned with your objectives and acting consistently. These inspiring examples illustrate how powerful the law of attraction can be, but it's also essential to remember that there are critiques and misunderstandings surrounding this philosophy. Let's take a look at some of the most common myths and criticisms associated with it to gain a more balanced perspective. Although the law of attraction has many advocates, it also faces valid criticisms. One of the most common is the idea that it oversimplifies the process of success. Positive thinking alone will not solve all of life's problems. The reality is that there are many external variables, such as opportunities, luck, and circumstances that also influence our destiny. Another myth is the belief that the law of attraction doesn't require effort. Many people think that simply visualizing or affirming their desires will make everything happen without needing to take action. This is not true. The law of attraction must be accompanied by effort, discipline, and hard work. Visualization should be paired with a practical plan and consistent actions. Finally, the law of attraction should not be seen as a magical solution to all of life's problems. It is a useful tool for improving mindset and focus, but it also requires realism and adaptation to the real situations we face. Now that we've discussed the critiques and myths surrounding the law of attraction, it's essential to reflect on how we can apply all of this practically in our lives. Therefore, I want to propose a challenge to you. Let's put into practice what we've learned and observe the changes it can bring. And don't forget to share in the comments if you're going to try this. I'm really eager to know how you're doing. Now I challenge you. For the next week, practice a technique from the law of attraction every day. It could be visualization, where you imagine your goals as already achieved, or positive affirmations. Pay attention to the changes you notice in your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Apply this with discipline and watch for the opportunities that begin to emerge in your life. Remember, the law of attraction is not just about attracting things. It's also about creating the right mindset and taking the necessary actions to achieve what you want. How you respond to challenges and opportunities along the way is also part of the process. With this daily practice, you are not only training your mind to be more positive, but you're also preparing yourself to act in a more focused and determined manner. The truth is that while the universe may present us with opportunities, it's our actions that ultimately make the difference. Now take a moment to reflect. Are you living your life consciously and in alignment with your dreams? Are you attracting what you truly desire? If not, start now. Small changes can make a big difference, and the power is in your hands. So accept the challenge, practice, and see what happens. Did you enjoy the video? If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. I really want to hear what you think about the law of attraction, so leave your comments below, sharing your experiences or questions. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos that could change your life. Thank you for connecting with us, and see you in the next video.